how I create my database program. Now, when you open up Microsoft Access, you will open up into this page. In order to start creating your database program, you go into your file name and then type in whatever database program you want to name it. So I'm going to name it Taxi Driver Andrew Dillon. And then after I'm finished typing, I'm going to click on Create. Now it opens up into a database table, it's just table 1. So in order to create your own table, go to up the views and then click on view and then click on design view in the home tab. And then I'm going to name it Taxi Driver Table. Now I'm going into my fields. Now it starts with a primary key with an ID. I'm going to name that Taxi Driver ID. Next field is going to be my first name, which is F name, and that's going to be text. L name is his last name, that is going to be text as well. Gender, that is also going to be text. Address, text as well. Telephone number, that's going to be into number. Then you can do more than one primary keys at one time. You can put them all the fields by just highlighting the fields. You put all primary keys more than one time. But I'm just going to pick one primary key, which is basically the taxi driver ID. Now once I've finished designing the database design view, I'll click on number. I'm just checking the boxes, they're all text. There's auto number here. Or tax driver ID. Then I'll go into my view tab, data sheet view, and then I'm going to save the sheet table and then name it. You do want to save it, yeah, or we do want to save it. Then the fields are now inputted into the taxi driver table. So I'm going to make the field bigger. We'll have filters in it. Filters. And then you have external data. Import them in Excel, import them in Access. You can import them with your saved files or text file, XML file. Then you got the database tools, which is relationship diagrams, objects, macros. You can also do your own SharePoints and add-ins and Visual Basic. You can also repair the database. You can run the macro. If you have a macro, create it. You have numbers, currency. You can have your add and delete tables. Have table, your top table properties. Now the create tab, you can create your forms, create the queries, create your reports, and create your macros. I'm going to go into the forms, and then I'm going to go in the form wizards. I'm going to drag all the fields into the two arrows box. And I'm going to select columnar. Go next. I'm going to name the form called taxi driver form. Click finish. Then I have my form view and my form. Now my fields inputted. I want to edit. I go into view, design view. Then I can make the boxes smaller and move the fields around the form. I can also move the heading as well. Try to get the taxi driver heading into the middle of the form, of the heading, form header. We're going to center that. We're going to go create, use tools and then formats. input the date and time function, select the first label, the current time, and select OK. Now date and time is also in the header on the form. Make the box smaller. So try and make them all together and take all into the same paragraph on each section. Again, if you're not happy with the layout of the form, you can still change it in your design view and resize the boxes. Well, I'm going to stop right there.